guys? It is Curtis.
It's Christy.
And we are DateAFoodie. Today we are at Fire Wings. We are at the Howe Avenue location in Sacramento. We are here to try every flavor that they have.
There's 21 flavors.
So that's a lot of wings. So we recruited some help from our friends.
Yep.
So let's go inside and see what we got.
I don't eat drumsticks. I only eat flats. I'm bougie.
Alright, so we got the Cali Rub Bone-In wing. This is our first time trying it. So let's do it. Okay. Alright, cheers. There's sugar in there? There's sugar in there.
I feel like there's a taste of lemon at first, and then it turns into a very sweet flavor as you keep on processing it.
There's definitely that sweetness from the sugar.
A little kick, but I don't know what it is.
Yeah. It's pretty mild in flavor. It's not super salty
or sweet.
Yeah, even with the sugar, it's not super sweet.
It's a perfect combination of both worlds.
I think this would be really good if you like dipping your wings in sauces. So like if you like, she doesn't like ranch, guys, but this would be good for ranch or like honey mustard or something. This would, yeah.
It's good.
Cool. So Des, tell me what you got.
1 out of 10.
So I got the Peking wing. It's probably my go-to wing here all the time. Anytime I order, it's gonna be with something I get on my plate. Just the perfect sweet and sour sauce. Yeah.
I have
flavors just dance on your tongue. It's all over.
right.
Probably my favorite.
That's like your go-to.
For sure. I'm getting that every time I come here.
Alright, so what are you eating right now?
You guys both have cameras? Wow.
Yeah?
I grabbed it because it was red and I did not know what I was going to get myself into, and I liked it.
This is your first time?
It's sweet, yes. It's sweet.
Did you get it again?
Yeah.
Alright, Rocio. If you guys don't know, these are twins. If you're seeing doubles, you are.
Classic barbecue. Can't go wrong with classic barbecue. I get it again. Yeah, classic barbecue.
I have the buffalo, the Parmesan, and the lemon pepper.
Okay. Which one are you excited to try?
The Parmesan, but it's all about the garlic noodles. That one's good. The breading is perfectly crisp. Chicken's good.
Garlic noodles! Save some for the rest of us, Albert. That's it.
That one's good. I like Parmesan.
For everybody.
I mean, it's both like just eat it by itself like this.
No, it's not a flavor.
Favorite thing in Fire Wings, every time I go, I order the garlic wings. They're the garlic noodles. They're perfectly cooked. They have Parmesan cheese, garlic. They're amazing. If you like garlic, which I do.
So this is the garlic noodles. These are one of the sides that they offer. This is one of the sides that I get kind of often. So we're gonna give it a try right now. So one thing I like about this garlic noodle is it's kind of sweet in flavor, but it's also very garlicky. You can see the pieces of garlic in here. So it definitely packs that punch but there's a slight saltiness to it as well. So, and it's really light. So when you're eating wings and stuff, and you want to take a break from all that saucy wing, this noodle offers a good kind of break to kind of cleanse my palate a little bit. So yeah, I like it.
Alright, so these are the salt and pepper wings. So for all y'all that don't know, salt and pepper is not just salt and pepper. It is an Asian way of cooking it. They deep fry it. There's onions, bell peppers, garlic, and jalapenos tossed in with like a little sugar and a salt and pepper.
You definitely made to be a foodie.
So I'm going with the class.
I hate you. It's cool.
You want to share half?
No, it's alright. I got you.
You're a real one. I appreciate
There we go. Salt and pepper.
Cheers.
Let's see how it goes.
I'm on the jalapeno.
Crispiness to a salt and pepper wing, very, very important, and this got it. Just a little sweet on the front end, and then you get a little spice at the back end.
It's a little salty.
Don't tell my mom, but it's better than her cooking.
You got the jalapeno?
This is one of my go-to flavors here. It still is.
I like it because every time you come, all the other wings are always super saucy. So you get something that's dry, and this is my favorite dry wing.
If you like dry wings, salt and pepper should be the way to go. It's a perfect balance between spicy and a little salty.
So I have the dragon, mango habanero, and the jerk chicken. I haven't had any of these before.
Okay.
So let's go for dragon.
Okay.
It's saltier than the Saigon street. There's a more fishy flavor. But I would rate it like a 4 out of 5. But Saigon street is still my favorite.
Nice.
More sweet and more tangy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the classic lemon pepper.
I'm gonna go with the garlic parm.
Garlic parm. Solid lemon flavor. What I love about their boneless wing is a solid chicken breast. I don't know if you guys can tell, a solid chicken breast. They cube it up, they marinate it in buttermilk, and then they individually bread them and fry them.
It is like a good nugget, like a meat.
Yeah, it's solid chicken breast, not processed, really natural.
The garlic parm is
And they're
actually
huge.
pretty good. So the garlic parm, it's got a good balance of the garlic and Parmesan flavor. It's not overly powered by the Parmesan. You get a nice bite of the chicken meat itself. I personally don't like boneless wings, but I mean, it's flavor-wise, no, it's pretty good.
This is my good friend Tyler. So Tyler, what is your favorite wing flavor of all time?
My favorite of all time is buffalo, and I even make it at home.
So you have your own buffalo sauce recipe?
I really do, yeah.
Okay,
it's
so
amazing.
we're gonna see how Fire Wings buffalo flavor stacks up.
Okay, let's see. It has a nice little kick, but you can really get that vinegar taste, which is what you want in a buffalo wing. Really juicy. The meat isn't dry like usually boneless are. I would say it competes with my recipe. I would give it a 10. I would give it a 10, yeah. The sauce is just so great.
You heard it here first.
Cheers.
The Buffalo Stampede boneless wing.
You got it. Buffalo? Okay. That's saucy. Very saucy. I like it.
1 out of 10. What do you rate that Buffalo Stampede?
I gotta buy buffalo. I give it like a 7.5. Good.
Solid 9.
like a paprika kind of flavor. Boneless chicken? Boneless, which I don't like. I like bones because it releases more juice.
Starting to get itchy.
This is the Malaysian curry wing. We're gonna give it a shot, see what we think. Dry rub, Malaysian curry. Very well seasoned.
Absolutely.
It's crispy enough to be like my crispy out.
That dry rub's nice.
It sticks on there really well. Very even. Like there's no like sweet or salty spots. There's a really solid curry flavor. You get like some of the turmeric flavor in there. Real mellow, not hot.
Not really mellow.
If you're craving some curry but you're here for wings, get some of these.
Not here.
You know how you know it's a good seasoning?
Oh yeah.
The Malaysian curry.
Okay.
This is good. This is my new favorite. I think this beats all of them.
Different.
Saigon Street.
Saigon Street. I ate the Thai chili already.
That's one of my favorites.
This is hella good.
Yeah.
It tastes
is
like
really good.
spicy mango habanero. It's pretty good. It's a little spicy. It's like tangy. That's like sweet but spicy at the same time. But you don't get the spice until like after you get the sweet. So it's like what? The aftertaste? Yeah.
Have a good mango flavor.
Amazing. It's amazing.
And we got teriyaki wings here, boneless.
We'll go ahead and get into the teriyaki wings. Let me know what you think.
Tastes like teriyaki.
There's no lie. It's exactly what they say it is. Exactly teriyaki.
Oh my god, it fell apart.
But on teriyaki, you get teriyaki. They ain't lying.
Oh yeah.
No false advertising.
Straightforward teriyaki wing salad.
That's
it.
1 to 10 compared to other teriyakis. What we got?
It's a good teriyaki. It is. Solid 8 for me, 8.5.
So this is the peanut butter wing. This is the 3-year running champion of Best Wings in Sacramento, Sac Wing Fest. And it's very clear why, because we've had it 100 times and it's still good. You can see they have fresh peanuts on there. It's a little spicy, a little sweet, and savory. It's perfect. It's exactly what you want with all the wings that you eat. It's crispy, spicy comes at the end, sweet at the beginning, savory all throughout. I can eat these all day.
I get it every time I come here.
There's a reason why this is a champ.
Yeah. What do you think?
Her chili cheese fries are new, and it's on their seasoned fry, which is always solid. I've never had a cold fry at Fire Wings. And the chili, it's pretty classic chili cheese, like nothing special, but the cheese is like the nacho cheesy kind. They don't try to get fancy and do like the shredded cheddar, because sometimes when you do that, it sticks together, it just don't hit right. It is exactly what they say it is. Chili cheese fries, and they're solid. Alright, so this is the spiciest wing at Fire Wings. It's called the Fire Wing. So we have 6 people here doing the challenge, and we're gonna see how they react. Let us know what you think, guys.
Cheer it up, guys.
Cheers.
That's it?
Finish the whole wing, you gotta finish the whole wing.
starting to feel the heat.
I can't eat that fast.
I want to see the knuckle bone, man.
I don't want to be too crazy. Don't try to go on. I can't eat that fast, you guys. Oh my god. Why is it fast?
Is anybody feeling the heat?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel it. I feel it, but it's not. Oh no, wait, it's right there.
It's coming.
It's right there.
I feel it. I'm
Okay.
starting to sweat.
There's a delay in spice.
Fire wing has an after effect.
Yeah, I'm gonna change my vote from a 6 to an 8.
We're both dying right now. How do you feel? How do you feel? We just ate the fire wing.
I just feel like I ran a marathon.
It's like a tingling, numbing. Like it really hit like 5 minutes later.
We sweat. It was
For
glistening.
real, you see this? You see this spice sweat right here? Ooh.
We look like glazed donuts.
It is now a 10. It is now a 10, but it was a 6 when I ate it.
Yeah.
And nothing is making it better.
It's not.
It just makes
Soda
it worse.
doesn't help. Yeah.
All very flavorful. They have a perfect crunch to it, whether they have sauce or no sauce. It's just the perfect texture for a wing. It makes it really great.
Nice and crispy. Definitely.
I think also is like after I took the fire wings, I stopped going to what is it? Wingstop. Because the flavors here are just so amazing that you can't get that anywhere else.
So that's it for fire wings. It is for us the best wings in Sacramento.
In town.
We tried every flavor, a couple of sides. You guys saw it. Needless to say, we will be back. The price point for wings and sides and combos are awesome. Super affordable for the quality that you get. Hands down, best wings in Sacramento. And it goes to prove because they are 3-year running champs of Sac Wing Fest.
Love it. Every time here.
So again, this is DateAFoodie. Never forget, DateAFoodie.
It'll change your life.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So that's it for fire wings.